Hello everyone, this is Sheetal Mehul Pichawala here, founder of Big Bash Sports League, and today we are live again on Big Bash Sports League and Growing Buddy hand in hand. So none of the people or the community can go single-handed. So here we are being a part of Growing Buddy as we all grow together. So today our guest is very special. He is a business entrepreneur, he is a personal brand and a coach fitness enthusiast. He is the founder of Fitness Tribe with the objective to provide platform to build a strong ecosystem for the fitness. He is also the founder and the chairman of Business Opportunity Club. He is the committee member of International Business IMC. He is none other than Rohit Raul. So please welcome Mr. Rohit Raul. Hello sir, welcome on the board. How are you
Yes,
sir?
yes, Sheetal. Yes, I am very excited for this chat, and thank you, Sheetal, for me having here. And I must say that Big Bash Sports is doing a wonderful thing by creating this kind of awareness and giving knowledge and information to people. So fantastic
It's
initiative.
it's indeed my pleasure and thank you sir for coming over. Sir, I gave a short introduction about yourself, but I really want you to tell something about your own journey, your own life, and yes sir, please say ahead.
So basically, coming from a middle class Maharashtrian background, uh, you know, the best advantage of that, my mother was a teacher, and you would love to hear this that
Okay.
my mother taught us everything that a woman can do in the house,
Oh
and
wow, super.
fanta- that had a fantastic impact on the life. You throw us, we
Okay.
have five siblings, two sisters and three brothers. I'm the youngest. You throw us any
Okay.
situation, and we will not go panic. So I always feel that all the mothers should raise their boys like this only.
Okay.
And of course, uh, I was born and brought up in Dadar, then shifted to Mulund and looking at your community, Guju communities. So I'm fondly calling it Guju community, but it's also community. So looking at that, we got into business because Maharashtrians were never in the business earlier. But now, yes,
Okay.
because of that, we are in the business. So I'm into multiple activities. We are into real estate development. I have a consulting company where we coach people on personal branding, and then also the entrepreneur platform called Business Opportunities Club, and I saw on the various social and business organizations. And of course, I love life and enjoying life even during the lockdown also. In fact, I feel that during lockdown we have become even busier. So life is good, and
Okay.
when I meet people like you, I'm excited.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. So, sir, again, I'm very excited. I'm very excited to know about your fitness tribe, your business opportunity club, and yes, Monica. Monica, hi. So, people here again, I'm going to give a message to all of you that Mr. Rohit has come here from Fitness Tribe, and he is here definitely to answer you all. And he is here definitely to answer you all. So again, coming forward, like
Yes, hi Monica, how are you?
how you are running business, how the journey started.
So journey started like typical. Initially, I was working with an architect, but always had this seed planted in my mind that we have to get into business.
I think there is a small
So
glitching, but
after
we'll be
working for a
right
few
back.
years, got into business.
Please stay tuned. Yes. Okay. So sorry, Zia.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
after
Please.
working for a few years, got into business, seen a lot of ups and downs in the business. But at the same time, I was uh, always involved into some or the other public activity, and that really built me. In fact, I
Okay.
love to interact with students also. So last year,
Okay. Very
I was
nice.
interacting with the MBA students of Wellington Management School, and I gave them my practical mantra. I said today, whatever fancy nomenclature that you use, I did not know anything, but I learned the entire management hands-on in Ganeshotsav Mandal. So you name the management there. So that is also a very important thing. I recommend, suggest, and insist that everybody should get into some sort of public activity, which builds you very, very strong. And then all these years, just 4 years back, so today all of us being in the business, we do a lot of networking. But then I saw some gap that when established entrepreneurs come, then everybody pounce on them and they are always left high and dry with no good connection and not getting an opportunity to mingle around with people of their stature and above. So this is where I formed this Business Opportunities Club, which is a premium platform, which I
Okay.
started with two of my friends. And of course, on 1st of May,
Okay.
I have always been, fitness enthusiast, and I love to play. So on 1st of May, I started
Okay.
this Rohit Rawal Fitness Tribe with the objective of creating an ecosystem for people of India to be healthy and fit. And I've done so far. I've done 17 episodes, and I
Oh wow,
invited
super.
some of the remarkable personalities from the field of
Okay.
sports and fitness. Yes.
Oh wow, superb, superb. So, though basically, when you see Indian sports and fitness status, what is your perspective about India towards fitness and sports?
I look at it very, very positively. In fact,
Okay.
Sheetal, you yourself have started this Big Bash Sports. So I would
Yes.
like to know more about that also. And see,
Yes.
Sachin Tendulkar, our god of cricket, always keeps talking about developing the sporting culture in India. So
Yes.
we
Very
all
true.
need to work towards it, and it starts from the
Yes.
family. So parents have to be
Yes.
fit, so that gets reflected on the children. And of course,
Yes.
we are little low on the infrastructure, but we have to see how we can provide better infrastructures to our children.
Okay.
And of course, yeah,
Yeah.
every year we see that we are getting better and better in terms of winning trophies and medals, and uh,
Okay.
the sports also is increasing very, very fast. Women are more
Yes.
involved into sports, and in
Yes.
fact,
Yes.
I love to see your throw ball team. Like most of the married women after their 35, 40, they are getting involved into competitive
Yes.
sport, and that's a real positive sign of.
So basically, sir, when you go for Big Bash, when you talk about Big Bash, it's all about freedom to be who I am. The motto of
Oh,
Big Bash
lovely.
Sports is freedom to be who I am. That is freedom to be you, what you are. So it is how you can give your own self few moments of freedom from your regular housework, from your work at the busy schedule, and you know what is you giving to your own self, it is that. So here what happened, the busy ladies who are not able to come out, they take out some time and they come and play for 1 hour or so practice, they take part in the competitive throw ball competitions and all, and so they are feeling so good, they are a part of a different level of community where all are of same level sporty minded, they are coming out of their house, they are playing, they are keeping their kids at home, the household at work is at one side, they are enjoying their freedom of being their own self. So when we talk about fitness, yes, fitness is always there in our sport, but this fitness is with the mind fitness where you feel happy to do something, where you are going to be like a child playing with a ball falling down, and you know you get hurt, you cry, you laugh, it's all about the fun which we engaged in sports. That is all about Big Bash, and I have been conducting events for women's, and yes, I have done events for national players. So it is
Wow,
fabulous.
that's good.
Yeah. Yes. So, sir, basically, I come back to you, sir, about talking about your business opportunity club and your fitness tribe. How you run both the community hand in hand.
Absolutely, absolutely.
I again want the viewers to ask any question to Mr. Rohit Rahul sir, and he is definitely going to answer you. He is from the background of Business Opportunity Club, and yes, he is a founder of Fitness Tribe. So definitely he has Both the answer for your fitness, for your business, both. So please ask him anything you want. Yes, sir. Please proceed.
So, so Sheetal, I want to tell my friends in the business that if you are physically fit, if you are mentally tough, and if you are happy and joyful, you will be able to do better business. So if you are investing some time into your fitness or sport, that does
Okay.
not mean your 1 hour is just going out of your working hours. In fact, you will be
Yes.
more efficient, you will be more effective, and you can produce remarkable results. Trust
Yes.
me,
Very true.
fitness is the
Yeah.
thing. Whether it is
Oh.
body, mind, or soul, at all the level,
Yes.
it is very, very necessary. And it's a matter of experience. See how you are saying that now. How the women who participate with you in the sport, they are more
Yes.
joyful, cheerful, and their fitness. This experience is reflecting on their personal life, their family life.
Yes. 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 Very true.
So sports is not only for the boy or the children or the youngsters. The sports
Yes.
is there for entire life. It has to be there, and
Okay.
especially the team sport where you can you can laugh, you can giggle, you can
Yes.
compete with others, and
Yes.
that keeps you alive in life.
Yes, that keeps you alive, and it keeps more the younger the we feel when we are on the field playing like a child. It's bring the more the younger feeling in us. So, sir, what according to you is the current status of India in sports?
Sporting in the sports, if we see, we are way behind the top countries,
Okay.
barring like if you see cricket, hockey, kabaddi, or chess, there we are in the top 10 in kabaddi. We are number one. Cricket we are number one. Hockey number two. Chess number three or number four. That ranking keeps changing. But if you see all the other sports, it's
Okay.
completely different.
Okay.
So in football, we are our ranking is 104 out of 210 countries for men. For
Okay.
women, it is
Oh.
63. It's better. For
Okay.
Uh, Olympic gold medals, we are at 48 out of 151 countries, and total medal tally, we are at 60th number out of 151 countries.
Okay.
In
Okay.
Paralympic, also out of 122 countries, we are at 71. So we need to promote these people,
Okay.
especially people who are physically challenged. We need to encourage them, motivate them, and get
Yeah.
into this. Yeah, and there is another shocking when I was researching. I always love to research. I love the data, and then you can use the data. So India is considered to be one of the laziest country. Can you believe this? One of
Oh.
the laziest country.
Really, sir?
And yes,
Okay.
and they have calculated in terms of the daily steps that we take. So Hong Kong
Okay.
tops with 6,880 steps on average. And in
Okay.
India,
Okay.
men take 4,606 and women take 3,685 steps. So we are way behind
Oh,
Hong
wow.
Kong. And
Okay.
and forget about all other sports. But if we just keep walking, now what happened
Okay.
with the wealth? All these maladies have come. Like we get
Okay.
out of the house, we sit in the car, or people in the middle class, they sit on the bike, go to the office, there
Okay.
they sit, they take elevator, and we are not walking at all. So there is
Okay.
no sweating at all, and that is
Okay.
actually killing. So we have
Oh,
to improve on that.
no. So you mean to
So
say,
Sheetal, I want to ask you, since you are running
okay.
this platform,
Okay.
how does it increasing the fitness of of course your players are increasing the fitness, but because they are taking their fitness to next level, how it is in fact
Yes.
reflecting on their surrounding, like their family
So
members, their friends, their colleagues.
so basically what happens, sir, okay, fitness point of view, yes, after playing throw ball we have gained the importance of fitness, because as I say, sir, it is more when it is not the competitive situation just like the athletics playing on the national international level, but yes, it's a competitive situation when we are seven on the court, and when seven out of seven one person is feeling weak or not able to catch the ball or not able to run the court, the moment the thing comes in the mind, I have to be fit first.
Right.
I have to be fit by the body and by mind. no matter you are fat or you are slim or you are healthy, but it is about the fitness point. The moment you feel fit, you are able to run, you are to able to catch, your mind runs faster. That fitness matters a lot on the court. And yes, the people, like, more and more family members also feel supportive, because nowadays what happened, we go to gym, we do workout, we come back home. The moment we come
Right.
from the gym, either we are very hungry, we exhausted doing exercise and extra exercise and all. But this is an outdoor activity where you are going to get good sunlight. You are going to go back to your root, where you have started. In our old childhood days, we were all playing on the ground and muddy and everything. So here we are going back to the root. We are playing on the
Right.
ground. It's not always the turf. It is playing on the ground, playing back to the root in the sun. You are getting tang, you are getting sunlight, you are getting fresh air. Okay, it is not about just your heart rates are going high and coming down, but it is about your moderation, your capability to do your best on the field. So it is like that way.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So
And I
what
always
what
say,
what?
that I love this, Sheetal, I love this quote. The difference between
Yes.
fat and is only I.
Yes.
And only I
Yes.
can, I can do this. I can move from a fat to a fit. And as you have rightly
Yes.
said, it's not about whether you are fat or thin, whether you have a
Yeah.
fitness level or not.
Yes.
Despite being little
Absolutely.
fat, you can still be very, very fit.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
we have
Absolutely,
seen
sir.
so many players of international level also. They were
Yes.
bit fat, but they were really fit.
Yes.
Like
Yes. So some
Maradona,
moms are
Arjuna
same
Ranatunga.
like. Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Very true, sir. So same like some moms are so fat, but they are totally fit. They are totally
they're
fit. They
agile.
catch the ball. They, yeah, yeah. So it is all about your mind fitness, your, the way you move on the court. It is that point of fitness working out here on the court. So this is how it works. So when what, according to you, you have been in fitness tribe for so long time, which
Yeah.
sports or which activity bring more of immunity boosting time and give more energetic hormone produce in our body? Which exercise do you feel like doing, yoga or doing cardio or being a sport? What you feel should be the working of?
So I say that, if first of all, it's completely your choice. So you can do yoga, you can do running, you can do gymming, and there are a variety of exercise. I also suggest that always do the combination so you can get best of everything. Like we say, best of both the worlds. But yes,
Okay.
now with the modern science, the fitness has variety of parameters, like your strength, your endurance, your stamina. So everything matters. But you have to be competitive, and you should always push yourself. You should always move out of your comfort zone. Like I do weight training, I do skipping, I do running, I do hill climbing. So anything and everything that you can do, and especially where you feel that you cannot do this, you must challenge yourself. Like I have a lovely mantra for myself,
Yes, very true.
which I always use, that I
Okay.
challenge myself. Nothing is impossible, and it's not over until I win. So keep challenging yourself.
Oh wow,
And as they
superb, sir.
say, as your body moves, mind grooves. So agility has to be there. Like if you run on
Okay.
the court, like in your sports, Sheetal, you have to be so agile in throw ball. Now with the same, when your body moves like that, when your body is agile, your mind also start running like that. You start thinking fast. You take faster decisions. You take quick decisions, and then you don't go panic when the difficult
Yes, very
situation
true.
comes. So there are so many benefits of that, and you
Yes.
can connect your life to your sports and fitness. So for immunity
Yes, very true.
boosting,
Very true.
definitely. Even if you walk, they say that you should walk at least 10,000 steps every day. That will also suffice. But sweat has to come out. Like I have a son who's 24-year old. So I always keep telling him that his name is Soham. So Soham, we are probably the last blessed generation because We walked a lot, we played a lot, we sweat a lot, we ate home food, we didn't have gadgets, we didn't have stress. And you guys have
Yes,
everything.
yes,
So we have to
yes,
push our children out of the house and take the gadgets away.
yes,
Gadgets are killing. Gadgets are for
yes,
our use now, but gadgets have started using us.
yes, 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 very
That is
true.
where the whole moment has become restricted.
Yeah, yeah. So,
So I
sir,
also suggest it, like Sheetal, I would also suggest you, even for you, that if you're
yes,
moving around in a car, park your car at a distance and walk the distance. Or if
yes,
you come
yes,
home, park your car, go for one round, maybe for 5 minutes, maybe for 3 minutes.
yes.
Whatever time you get, you should. In fact,
Okay,
if you're working in the office, every 1 hour you should get up and take 10 rounds in the office.
yeah,
Whatever, but
very
just
true.
keep moving all the time.
Okay. Yeah, very true, very true. That is indeed going to help us a lot. And again, I'm coming to the point where the esports and e-fitness has taken the place in this lockdown. So,
Yes.
any suggestion or any idea about it? Ke what can be done about it?
Come again, please.
Just now, due to lockdown, there
Yeah.
is many e-sports and e-fitness happening.
Yeah.
So, is this feasible and working for the people, in the favor of people, or you? What is
I
your
would say
suggestion about
it
it?
works both ways. Yes, there are some people who are sincerely, supporting people. But
Yes,
ultimately, she should understand one thing: where there is
yes,
a will, there is a way. So this is only
yeah, very
supporting.
true.
So even if you are confined in a 10 by 10 room, you
Okay,
can start. You can do spot jumping. You can do Surya Namaskar. You can do Yogasana. You can do so many things. You can do skipping.
yes,
So
very
it's
true.
not that you are because of the lockdown people are not doing it. People are just making this excuse
Okay,
that because of the lockdown we cannot move. In the house also you
okay,
can walk. So
yeah,
many things you can
yeah,
do. You
yeah,
can
very
use
true,
self
sir.
body weight because gyms are closed. You cannot say that
Okay,
because gyms are closed I cannot do this. You can use self body weight. So many things can be done.
okay,
Just so in marathon, I have run 10 half marathons. So in marathon they taught us your body can take almost anything. You just have to convince your mind. So it is all about mind. Body will follow. Take care of your mind. Body will follow, and your
yes,
body has huge potential. See today the kind of things I do at the age of 56. One of my
okay,
friend, for a couple of months back, challenged me for doing 25 push-ups, and he
okay,
was at least 15 years younger to me. And
okay,
then I said, okay, let me take up this challenge. So I said, he
okay,
has done 25, I'll do 30. I did
okay.
30. In next 2 days, I said, I'm going to break this. I did 35.
Oh
So keep
wow,
challenging yourself. It is
yes, very
possible.
true.
Age is just a number.
Age is just a number. Very true. Very true. Sir, Nidhi is saying, pleasure to have you, sir, on Growing Body. She's
Yes,
very happy
yes,
to.
Nidhi. Thank you so much. And good to
Yes,
see you all.
yes, yes. Sir, again, how age has affected the people? Do you feel the old age people were more healthier than the young age people?
Absolutely. No question about it.
Yes. And what
Because the
difference you
younger
feel?
generation has gotten into comfort zone. They don't
Okay.
move their body.
Yes, very true.
And they are better off financially also. And that is actually putting a negative impact on them.
Yes, very true, sir.
Because those days, we had to struggle. We just, we just rose from the ground. So
Yes.
we moved up, we walked a lot. We went by local trains. We catch BST buses, and then they were that time those times when elevators were not there.
Okay.
Like that, cabs were not there,
Okay.
and of course we were used to put in a lot of efforts.
Okay. Very true, very
In
true,
fact,
very.
I want. In fact, I'm very happy to let you know that on my platform, Mr. Madhukar Talwalkar was there. He is the director of Talwalkar Gym. Can you
Yes.
imagine people at the age of 87? Today
Okay.
he does weight training. He does pull-ups also.
Oh.
So what age people are talking about?
Oh.
People in their 50s and 60s they start talking about, no, now I have become old. And in fact
Oh.
you should choose right people around you. because most of the people start thinking, अरे नहीं नहीं अभी तो अपना एज हो गया, अभी ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए.
Very true.
I run, I jump, I'm more on like a 25-year-old person.
Oh wow, superb, sir. But that's keep you active indeed, because you as a brand ambassador or the founder of Fitness Tribe, you have to be fit. So sometimes you feel challenging about this, that you have to be fit, or it is sometimes you go in the flow
It
and
is not
yes.
like, again, there's a nice definition I've coined for success. Success is doing things before you are asked to, more than you need to, and not because you have to. Just because I started Fitness Tribe does not mean I have to
Okay.
be fit. It is
Okay.
I have started it because I am fit. So it's my
Okay.
expression of my fitness. I've started this tribe. So nobody
Oh
is
wow,
forcing you. It is
superb.
your own choice. It is your
Very
own
true.
choice, and you see the
Yes.
benefits. And again, I would also suggest that there's a nice concept in management that eat
Okay.
your frog first. So
Okay.
if you don't feel like exercising, that is the first thing in the morning you should do. You finish it off.
Okay.
Then then you
Okay.
are then you are free for the whole day, whatever you want to do. Then there is no
Oh
burden.
wow.
अरे मुझे exercise करना है, मुझे yoga करना है.
Very
First thing
true.
in the
Very
morning,
true.
finish it off.
Very nice. Very nice. So you the morning workout is the best workout according to you.
Yes.
You're saying.
So
Yeah.
what you do? How do you follow your fitness regime?
So I, for me, fitness regime is as you say, I do morning workout with my kids. Just now, due to lockdown, so we always have a trend of doing some fitness. We put on a YouTube, or my kids are doing basketball from virtual basketball. So I do that. We do throw ball in the evening. We go down to the building court and we play throw ball there. So the fitness has to go somewhere, but I'm trying to keep that thing at least 4 times a week. We do the fitness regime with the kids. Otherwise,
Fantastic.
normally, yeah, normally, of course, we had a wonderful practice of dropping the kids to the school and immediately rushing to the court for playing, and by 10:30 we all play and we all rush from there for office, for home, or something like that. So that was a perfect thing happening in our life. We are waiting for the lockdown to get completely finished and start back to our own practice life.
Ital, you are doing wonderful thing by taking the kids along. If you
Yes,
build
very
that
true.
family culture of fitness and sports, nothing like it.
Yeah,
And as
yeah,
they say that the family which plays together stays together.
yes, very true, very true, very true, very true. And sir, I would like to address you one more thing. What I have learned from my lockdown experience, that my first month of lockdown was totally a stressful thing, because I didn't knew where to go, how to go, with the kids in the house, with the husband in the house, with no activity outside, no maid helping. But after some time, when we started having, now in the lockdown, all used to do cycling together, me, my
Right.
kids, and my husband. So
Hmm.
after some time, we we indeed started a trend of having every evening together in form of a fitness. So that was wonderful time, sir.
Yeah.
Just say something about your business opportunity club. I would really like to know about that also. Though this is a fitness session, but I know business is fit, then the mind is fit for everyone.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So as I
Yes.
already said that it's a premium platform for established entrepreneurs to go to next level. The
Okay.
whole idea is coming together and growing together, and mission is
Yes.
to create big success stories. And the
Okay.
core focus is, now everybody knows, so I'm saying that. So the core focus is not generating referrals. The core focus is on shift of mindset to go to next level, because we
Okay.
strongly believe in one thing, that every
Okay.
next level demands different you.
Okay.
So that's how
Okay.
we are a unique platform. And
Okay.
unlike another platform, we meet only once a month, and
Okay.
then the lot of exchange happen. It's a cross learning process.
Okay.
So every fourth
Okay.
Wednesday we meet for 4 hours, from
Oh.
morning 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And
Okay.
then we also promote a lot of collaborations within the group, outside of the group.
Oh
And
wow.
now the
Super, sir.
pandemic has forced people to get into the collaboration. Now it is
Yes.
more needed that I should support you, you should support me. It's not,
Yes.
don't be a lone ranger. Don't fight
Okay.
your battle all alone. Take other people's
Okay.
support. And
Oh,
and Sheetal, you would be happy to know that because of this,
okay.
in last 6 months, we were able
Okay.
to keep our all the members absolute positive frame of mind.
Okay.
None of our members ever complained about, because of lockdown, we are confined, our business is gone down, this and that. We are working
Okay.
on newer ideas, we are working on collaborations. We
Okay.
see how we can be adaptable to the newer situations because just
Okay.
by complaining, nothing is going to happen. You have to be
Okay.
adaptable, you have to be flexible. This is new
Okay.
normal.
This is new normal. Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly, sir. This is
And
new
it
normal.
is also important to be, you should belong to some tribe like you have big bash where few people come together and where the exchange of idea happens, people support each other, encourage each other, empower each other.
Yes, very true. So Monica is asking, is this the same BOC with Anglo Rajesh?
Yes, Monica, absolutely. So Monica, I am the founder and chairman of this group, and Agnello Rajesh has been my friend for last 20 years, and as everybody knows, he's a super success story. So he is there as a chief mentor.
Wow, very superb, sir. And
Yes.
yes, personally, he is also lot into business and fitness and sports. So that is perfect for him to be with you.
Yeah,
And
he is one of the most dynamic person I have ever known.
okay, okay, very
He's,
nice, sir.
yeah.
Sir,
So
again, what is the future of fitness our India is having in next five
yeah, of
years?
course, India's future is I see as quite bright because infrastructure
Okay,
is growing. People are now more. If you see now, if you see Mahendra Singh Dhoni, where did he come from? From a small
okay,
town. So
okay,
people are rising from the small towns, small villages. There are girls who are coming from the smallest of the villages, and now they have
okay,
become stars on the world horizon. So
okay.
in terms of fitness and sports, we have absolute bright future. Only thing
Yes,
I would
very true.
urge government to provide more infrastructure and
Okay.
women also to be encouraged more right from their early age,
Yes, very
not
true.
only
Very true.
in city, not only in metro cities, but in smaller
Yes.
cities and villages also. And people
Yes,
like
very
us,
true.
we also have to reach out to those people, and we should extend our
Okay.
support.
Yes, very true, sir. Very true. As you said, in the interior of our Indian villages and all, sir, they are really very good talent and they are into sports. When their immunity and their energy level is really very good in comparison of our kids playing here, because I've seen whenever I've seen, I'm staying in Shivaji Park. I see kids playing on Shivaji Park ground are more immune and more energized because they are playing on a ground which is actually meant for the kids to play.
Absolutely. So,
Yes,
Sheetal, you would be glad to know that I belong to that area. First 10 years of
yes.
my life, I was
Oh,
born and brought up
super.
in Dadar. I have
Oh,
played in Shivaji Park. I used to go to Balmond Vidya Mandir. Used to be
oh,
one of the top schools those time, of course, from Marathi
yes,
medium. But
yes,
that
very true.
infrastructure, made a huge difference. That made
Yes.
our foundation very, very strong.
No,
So
very true,
fitness,
very true.
you should not get into fitness when you started gaining weight or something that when it becomes compulsory or mandatory for you to get fit. But right from the
Yes,
childhood, if you play a lot, then the foundation becomes strong. Then at later
yes,
stage, like I'll tell you my experience. So my fitness trainer, keeps telling
okay,
me, sir, you are so fit and you never complain. But I see boys in their age of 80, 20, 25, and they say, नहीं सर बैक पेन हो रहा है, नहीं सर लेग पेन हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो
very
हो रहा
true.
है. It is only
Yes,
because the foundation is not strong. So fitness
okay.
is not just playing; it is also your respiratory is also important, your nutrition also important, and your positive
Okay.
attitude also important.
Yes, very
It's
true,
all
very true.
put together. It's a package.
Yes, yes. Every single day, a step is necessary towards fitness in our life. The more the fit
Yes,
the body, more the fit the mind is. And yes, definitely, sir, when once the mind is fit, we can definitely walk toward our business, our own job, or in the house also. I feel that personally, if we are fit by body, mind, in the house also we feel very happy. The atmosphere, the vibes are very positive. of being fit?
Chitra, let me ask you a simple question.
Yes, please.
Who do you like to spend your time with now? Now that you are into the sports and the fitness, you
Okay.
definitely like to spend time with people who are fitter, who love sports, and you talk about that,
Yes. Yes,
or
yes,
people who
definitely.
who sit at home and talk about movies and everything. So that
No,
matters.
that
Like, who
matters.
do you
That
keep your
matters.
company with? So
Yes,
always
very
be
true.
part of people, of that tribe, and you just get along with them.
Okay, so the name exactly is going fitness tribe here. That yes, you belong to a
Yeah,
tribe
belong to a
where
tribe. That is very very
yes,
important.
yes, you belong to a tribe
Now
where you
because of this initiative,
okay,
I am meeting so many people who have done some
okay,
remarkable. I don't want to reveal that name, but
okay.
recently she is going to be my guest soon. But that girl has 8 world records under her belt. She
Oh
earned
wow.
Padma Shri at the age of 28.
Oh,
Just imagine. And now
oh
she wants
wow,
to
super.
develop that sport in India. So I'm keeping
Wow.
the name secret because
Yes,
uh,
yes, very true.
she's not the forthcoming. You'll have to wait for another 15 days because on the 20th episode I'm going to do a special episode with her.
Oh
But just
wow,
imagine.
super. No, no, it's
And
perfectly
now we see, women are getting more fitter and they are getting more active and active.
yes, yes. And so we are even you will be very happy to know, and I'm really very happy to share on our own platform again also that we are going to come very soon with Big Bash Sports Women Leagues in month of October or in the month starting month of November, which is going to give a ultimate very good platform to all the women who are playing throwball out there. So it is going to be on a different level where they have just imagined they have played previously. It's going to be a very 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 exciting event coming soon in October and November, sir.
So,
So I
Sheetal, for sure, I hope that you will invite me for inauguration.
I
And
of course, you're the
and,
part of
and
the
of
team.
course, yes, and I of course I'm going to extend fullest support, and I'll
Yes,
spread these words amongst my female friends. I would
yes,
rather encourage few of them to, if they can be part of this, or at least if not
yes,
being part of this, at least be there, witness there, be in this
yes,
atmosphere, so that you will feel like becoming fitter and healthier.
yes, very true, very true. Sir, it was what message would you like to give to the viewers here?
Message for what?
Message
Fitness
for
is
your
life.
fitness. Ah,
Yes,
very
fitness
true,
is
very
life,
true.
boss. That has to be. See, I would suggest everybody make it your topmost priority of life. Leave
Yes,
aside your
very
work,
true.
leave aside your business, leave aside your family. First, you be fit. If you are fit, everything will start falling in place.
Yes,
In
very
fact,
true.
for family also, you will be able to serve them better if you are fit.
Yes, very true, sir. Very
And
true.
as parents, we need to set an example for our children. We
Yes,
should not be
definitely.
a caution to our people.
Yes, very true, very true. Sir, any message for lockdown you want to give to the viewers?
Lockdown is a phenomenal opportunity for you to look at things in a different perspective. Don't
Yes,
get
very true.
bogged down by lockdown.
Okay,
You reinvent yourself and be
okay.
adaptable to the newer situation.
Yes, very true,
If
sir.
you see evolution process also,
Okay.
the all the species which were adaptable, they lived. Other got
Yes,
extinct. So you will
yes,
also get extinct if you don't adapt to the newer situation. That is a simple
yes.
thing. Like body,
Wow.
your mind also has to be flexible.
Okay.
And there is again a nice quote in management. I love quotes.
Oh,
Control the
wow.
controllables and forget about the uncontrollables. You cannot
Okay.
control COVID. That is not in your hand. But how you
Okay.
respond to that, it definitely in your control.
Oh,
So
wow.
uh, we have spent a lot of time learning new things, connecting with a lot of people, spending time with family, developing new skills, working on new ideas,
Okay.
exploring new business, so many things.
Okay. Wow. Nice, sir. Very true, very true. Many people have learned a lot of thing in this lockdown.
Also let be. I want to let people know that it is not that everything is hunky dory. I have my own set
Okay.
of challenges. So I'm not just putting a flowery picture before you or a rosy picture you. Every
Yes.
person goes through his own set of challenges, but
Okay.
you always have to think that you are greater than your challenges.
Okay. Wow. Super. Super. Sir, are you into healing also? The quotes and the message you are giving are very positive and they are very strong.
Yeah, I'm not directly into healing, but yes, I'm a certified art of living teacher also.
Oh, wow.
So me and my
Okay.
wife, we both are into spirituality also a lot.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Superb, sir. And sir, it was indeed a great pleasure having you here today. And yes, it was a very wonderful session knowing about you, your fitness tribe and business opportunity club. And yes, we are looking forward for more and more collaboration with you also, sir. And yes,
Yes.
thank you so much for coming over. You want to say
Yes.
something more, sir?
Yes, Sheetal, thank you so much. Since you have a sports platform, what we learn
Yes.
in the sport, that sportsman spirit we learn. You
Yes.
lose some, you win some, but you
Yeah.
enjoy playing the sport. So life is
Yes.
also
Very.
like that. You will lose some,
Yes.
you will win some, but enjoy, being in the life. Life
Life.
is
Yes.
filled with a lot of fun. So
Yes,
that is
very
my
true.
last message. Yes.
Yes, thank. Wow,
And
superb,
if you
sir.
get along with good people like Sheetal, make her your friend, and of course your fitness quotient will go up for sure.
Yes, definitely, sir. I am going to drag you also for playing throw ball with us, sir. Please, definitely come one day and play throw
100%.
ball.
Me, I used to play volleyball, so I would love to play throw ball.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Indeed,
Definitely.
I'm trying to get the new culture of throw ball in India, where
Yes.
people love football, cricket, hockey, or some other sports. Why not a sports which interior part of India been played in villages? They play throw ball in. Chennai they play so nice, so I really want the culture of throw ball also to come up. And yes, I'm trying to bring the best of the best culture in Indian history. So I'm working
So
towards it.
I also invite you to the eastern suburb where I stay in Mulund,
Wow,
and
super.
you plan to do it here, and I will extend my fullest support. We will organize tournaments here also.
Wow, superb. Definitely, sir. We are looking forward for it. And
Yes.
thank you so much. And thank you for coming over, sir. It was
Yes,
indeed my
and thank
pleasure
you,
to have
Sheetal,
you.
for having me on this platform. I really enjoyed talking to you. Thank you
Yes.
very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.